What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Nah, I mean, and today, just a quick unboxing. OLIGHT Friendship 2023 i3T copper. Let's get right into it. So there's the box. I don't want to talk about the box at all. All right. Okay. There's this little plastic card. Some Morse code. All right, here's the light, very heavy, and there's instructions on the bottom. I will not be going through that. This is just an i3T. Saw enough of these already. So, man, let's cut this open. Oh, there's that packet, guys. This one looks different. Do not eat it, though. All right, just because it looks different doesn't mean you can eat this one. This is a heavy light i3T copper, so it's going to be heavy. Let's weigh it. .79. All right, so like 2.8. All right, got the insulator in there. Let's get that out. Cheap battery. Usually you're gonna wanna get your cheap battery out of the light because these tend to corrode if you leave them in too long, and it might be an issue to get it out afterwards. All right, this thing, pocket clip, swivels a little, so it's not too tight on there. Whatever, not a big deal. All right, so you got low, high, 2 modes. Yep. Cool little light. All right, now let's get into the next thing that I got. Carabiners. There's 2 of them. I don't think I should be going over these for real. Not for climbing. Should be common sense, but whatever. Old life. All right. Pretty springy. Not sure what I will be using these for, if anything. All right, let's keep that on the side. And last but not least, we got the Periwinkle i5T. No, wait, i5R, I believe it is. So let's get right into that. There you go. This one costs a little more, you know, because it got that crystallized titanium look. Oh, came with a charging cable, which I have tons of these, but whatever. Maybe I'll keep that in a desk or something. Never know when you'll need one of those. You can use it for anything, right? All right. Now, this one, serial number is right there. Hefty light. All right. Let's get the scale out one more time. Keep it consistent here, guys. We got 2.6 here. 2.6 and 2.8, I believe it was. 2.8. We got 2.8 and 2.6. So the titanium i5R, I believe it's called i5R, is lighter than the copper. Copper is heavier. And this one, you know, they're all going to look different, but this one is crystallized TI, which adds to the price, right? This was like 65 without the bundle, but if I got the one with the bundle with the i3T the red one with the snowflakes on it. I don't got it here. Probably gonna use that one as a gift. And let's see how this works here. This is my first i5R. Don't want to make this too long. All right, there's the insulator. There you go. Batteries rechargeable right there. Looks like a AA size. All right, and so I'm guessing a AA will work in here. Okay, so put that in. Oh, it's already on when I, okay. Now let's see how many modes it got. 2 modes still. It's pretty bright, all right. Yes, all right, it's definitely brighter than the i5, the i3T. The i5R is brighter. Now, this is cool. I never had a friendship light, and this is the first one, all right? So this is kind of cool. I also don't have a copper light yet, so because I sold a copper light in the past. No, I sold a brass one. I still don't have a brass light, but this is my first copper light. This one is my first crystallized titanium light. All right, I got another titanium light. I don't even know where it is. Oh, here it is. What the hell is this called again? Lumen top. Shit. Man, drawing blanks on the name. Whatever. Someone's gonna come in here and type the name for me. Cool light. This is a cool light. I like this. I like this. It's a nice titanium look. That's pretty, this one's dope. I like the look of it. If you like blue, you're gonna like this light. This was limited to 4,000 pieces. That's a lot, so probably not sold out still. Yeah, that's all for today, man. Just these lights, just wanted to show them, before I don't show them again. Yeah. All right. If you guys like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. You didn't, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TimZUSA. And until next time, Tim Z out.